did you guys survive?
Are you okay? Are you hungry? Are you safe from the fires?
On the morning of January 7th, a wildfire first ignited in Topanga State Park, Los Angeles. Firefighting efforts are still ongoing. Strong winds and dry vegetation, which serve as fuel, are making containment difficult. But what about the animals? Countless wild animals are fleeing downhill. And as the fire spreads rapidly into residential areas, pets like dogs and cats are becoming trapped. Animals that are not rescued suffer from smoke inhalation, burns, and dehydration. To make matters worse, some evacuation shelters do not allow pets, further increasing their suffering. What happens to wild animals during a wildfire? It may seem like they would all perish in the flames, but some species actually survive, and even thrive, after a fire. In 2001, a wildfire in New Mexico destroyed the habitat of the endangered Jemez mountain salamander. But these amphibians survived by hiding in rock crevices. Many amphibians, including salamanders, escape wildfires by burrowing into logs, under rocks, or into the soil. In contrast, larger animals like elk and deer flee to streams or lakes for protection. This footage shows a deer escaping into a stream during the ongoing LA wildfire. Predators such as bears, raccoons, and birds of prey may even take advantage of the fire, hunting small animals fleeing the flames. However, not all animals are so fortunate. Some, like koalas, which instinctively climb trees, or slow-moving sloths, have little chance of survival. Even though fire is destructive, nature begins its recovery immediately after a wildfire. The fire clears out dead or diseased vegetation and opens the canopy, allowing sunlight to reach young plants. Some insects, such as wood-boring beetles, even lay their eggs in charred trees, taking advantage of the burned landscape. At first glance, it may seem like destruction and renewal exist in a delicate balance. However, rising temperatures and increasing droughts are making wildfires more frequent and severe, especially in regions like California. Because of this, wildlife and ecosystems are struggling to recover as they once did. This is why people are working harder than ever to combat wildfires and protect animals. One species that has suffered greatly in the ongoing LA wildfire is the California condor, a critically endangered bird that changes the color of its head based on its mood. With only around 350 individuals remaining in the wild, it's not just wildlife. Livestock and pets are also in danger. To rescue as many animals as possible, animal shelters across LA are stepping up, serving as a kind of Noah's Ark. The LA Equestrian Center has taken in hundreds of displaced livestock, while a Pasadena shelter, 17 kilometers away, has rescued over 400 pets. There have also been heartwarming reunions between owners and their pets. In one case, a dog named Oreo survived 5 days alone in the ashes, his fur singed but alive. However, such happy endings are rare. In reality, countless people and animals have lost their homes and livelihoods, suffering immense pain. We send our deepest condolences to all those affected by this wildfire, both humans and animals. Let's hope for a swift containment of the fire. Goodbye.